Bird body parts. Part 1, we start with the head. Some quick words that describe parts on a bird's head that will help you when you are describing birds or learning about birds. The ear coverts are small contour feathers that cover and protect the ear openings. The cheek is often a fleshy part of the face in some birds. The gape or gape flange is the swollen, often colorful lining on the bill at the gape of chicks and some adult birds. The chin is at the base of the lower mandible. The throat is the soft area just below the chin and extending to the upper breast. The hook is the sharp hook at the end of the upper mandible used for tearing prey, as in raptors or shrikes. The culmen is the curved ridge of the upper mandible of the bull, extending from the forehead to the tip. The nostril, or also the nares in birds, are the openings of the respiratory system, and they are also used to smell food, other birds, and their surroundings. The cere is a fleshy or waxy part at the base of the upper mandible of some birds, like raptors. The lores are between the eyes and the bill, and it is a concave channel-like area, which helps with the bird's binocular vision. The forehead is found above the bill. The forecrown is, as it explains, the front part of the crown. The crown is the upper domed part of the head. The nape is the name for the hind neck of the bird. The supraorbital ridge is the bulging ridge of bone along the upper part of the eye socket that helps shade and protect the eye. The pupil, we all know, is the black round center of the eye. And the iris is the colorful part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. It can sometimes change color, as in starlings.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.